Timepieces are an essential part of every woman's wardrobe. You can show off your personality through them since they are sophisticated and classic. There are a number of watch brands available, which makes it difficult to get the exact one that you want. We are here to help you find the best watch for you that is stylish and sturdy. So let's watch this video together to learn about the best watch brands for women and how to find the perfect timepiece within your budget. With the 5-point crown as a symbol, it is no wonder that many consider Rolex as the king of watches. For decades, Rolex watches have been a style statement for A-list celebrities. Celebs like Rihanna, Selena Gomez, Victoria Beckham, Kim Kardashian West, and Kylie Jenner love Rolex watches. In addition to being technically precise and durable, the brand is stylish as well. You can choose from various metals, finishes, and sizes, including the ever rose gold, which never tarnishes. Timepieces like these have also faced some of the most rigorous conditions. You can find strength in the summit of Mount Everest and the depths of the ocean. If you want the perfect watch for any occasion, a Rolex is always a good choice that goes with any occasion and season. This Rolex Cosmograph Daytona can steal your heart with its ultimate chicness. It was designed as the ultimate timing tool for long-distance racing. The brand is known for its quality and reliability, which are designed for everyday wear and can be used for different types of sports. Chanel is the ultimate luxury watch brand. In 1987, the Chanel watch collection was launched with the premier watch, whose design was inspired by the Place Vendôme. In addition to its classic feminine look, Chanel also produces sleek and masculine styles. However, you can also be sure the designer herself, Madame Coco, as well as Karl Lagerfeld, would approve of them all. In 2000, Chanel released its legendary J12 collection, which distinguished itself from its competitors by using ceramic. If you want to start your journey with a Chanel watch, then this Chanel Premier Mini watch can be a great option. Made with black ceramic, this watch is very sleek and chic to wear. If you're a fan of Italian luxury, you might be familiar with Bulgari. Jewelry, perfumes, leather goods, and watches are a few of the house's most renowned products. The most iconic design from Bulgari is the Serpenti, which is known for its snake-like straps that'll wrap around your wrist like a snake. In the late 1940s, when the brand took the decision to introduce watches, the Serpenti was the obvious choice. With a jewelry heritage, the Serpenti has evolved over the years to incorporate diamonds, rubies, enamels, and various gems. You can try this Bulgari Serpenti watch for a stylish and unique watch. This watch is finished in materials like stainless steel, black lacquer diamond, and silver tone hands. While Cartier is perhaps best known for its panther jewelry and love bracelet, it also produces many iconic timepieces. Known for its rectangular design, the tank watch was introduced in 1917 and became an instant classic. Women around the world have also worn the Ballon Bleu and Panther de Cartier styles. Lightweight and stylish, a Cartier watch can elevate any outfit. These timepieces perfectly complement dresses and can be worn instead of a bracelet or cuff at a black tie event. This Cartier Ballon Bleu is a unisex watch, which can be a great pick from this brand. Polished with 18-karat gold with steel case and bracelet, this watch also holds a 3-year warranty. It's a nice watch to make your attire more stylish and trendy. Seiko is one of the most recognizable names in the watch industry. Though many people know of the brand and wear a Seiko watch, most of us think it's a luxury brand, which it's not. Watches from this manufacturer are known for their affordability and amazing quality. If you buy a Seiko watch, you can expect a well-built, high-quality timepiece that will last you for a long time. With its introduction in 1959, the Seiko Prospex has become a cult favorite among watch enthusiasts. The Prospex Street Series combines style with functionality. You can have a look at this Seiko Street Series Mini Tuna Safri edition. Its larger diameter and bold shape resemble a tuna tin, which is why Seiko fans affectionately call it the Tuna. Charged by sunlight and electricity, the watch is stylish and durable enough to enjoy for a longer period. So, these are the best places where you can find a stylish, durable watch. Hope you'll love this video.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share it with your friend if you find this video useful. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.